Welcome back, everybody. So today is a special video. So Lane's Barbecue did a new rub, okay, and they sent it to me a few weeks ago for me to try it, but I couldn't upload the video till July 3rd. That's when this video is gonna be up. And when they told me what it was, I was really excited because you guys know Spellbound is really good, and I had subscribers that bought it and also say it's really good. So guess what they did? You guys ready to find out their new rub, new and improved barbecue rub? Let's go ahead and bring it out. Bam! Spellbound hot. Oh man, I am excited to give this bad boy a try. So pretty much this is the brother of the Spellbound, but now they did another Spellbound with a little bit of heat on it. So this is their new rub. It's going to be out on the website July 3rd, which this video will be dropping July 3rd. Now I'm ready to go ahead and give this a try. Oh, it has a good smell to it. I can already smell a little bit of the heat coming up. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of oil on these bad boys. Let's go ahead and make it rain with a little bit of Lane's. It has a nice red color. It smells really good. I think I might like this one more than the regular Spellbound. Okay, a little bit of oil as a binder. Let's go ahead and add more of their Spellbound. Make sure you get every nook and cranny of this bad boy because I want it to be full of flavor. Now, many of the questions you guys might have, is it going to be hot? How hot is it? Right? That's what we all have. That's my question too. How hot is it? We're about to find out. So now that we have our chicken nice and seasoned with our new Spellbound hot, we're going to cook this a little different than we've had in the past. Now I want to incorporate more of that smoke flavor throughout the whole cook this time. So I'm going to set my Z grill to 250 degrees and I'm going to let it ride for about an hour and a half to maybe even 2 hours till it hits internal temp of 165. Remember guys, this is now on the Lane's website. There's a link in the description. You guys can go ahead and try it out for yourselves. Go ahead and fire up our Z grill. Alright, our Z grill is up to temp 250 degrees. Go ahead and add these bad boys right in here. And I'm going to put our Quad X Pro monitor these bad boys. Alright. So here we have a Quad X Pro with the main screen. We're going to go ahead and connect it to the top. Turn it on. Turn that one off. Now we're going to set our temperature that we want. We're going at 65. Go ahead and put set. The lowest, don't really matter on that. We're going to have this bad boy. It's communicating. And it should pop up any minute now. There it is. So, and there's this magnet, so it'll just stay right there. I'll take this with me so I can chill in the house and wait till it hits 165 and we'll be back. Alright guys, so this is what happens when it's ready. There's beeping. Just hit this, quiets it down, and then our other one's also beeps in case you're over here. I forget one inside. We're ready. Hits 165. Let's take a look at these bad boys. Man, oh man, they look good. Look at that. We'll be back. Alright, so here we have it. Oh, if you guys can smell, it smells really damn good. Before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. Oh man, you guys ready to give this a try? Now, the pellets that we used today was the fruit wood from Sea Grills. Now also remember, I am starting a Beginners Barbecue Fantasy Football League within a month. So if you guys want to join, make sure you guys send me an email letting me know you guys want to join. My email will be in the description. Gives this a cut. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Good. I'm excited to try this new rub. Wow. A lot of rub on this one. They knocked it out of the park with this new rub they got. Oh my god. Oh. Oh man. This is good. I'm going camping in 2 weeks. I'm gonna do some ribs, smoked sausages, and I'm gonna take this one to make some ribs over there. I will be recording when I go camping at the barbecue that I do. Oh my god. Make sure you guys check these guys out. There's a link in the description. This is on sale today, July 3rd. This is on sale.